and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my Black Friday haul. This will be a two-part video because I did order a lot. I also primarily ordered online, so a lot still hasn't arrived, but I feel like I've received a lot of stuff and I want to start using it right away. And wrapping things because I did purchase a lot of presents, so I figured I would just do a two-part video, and that way it's also not a really long video. So I'm going to start with my order or my purchase from the Erin Condren store on Black Friday. So I did go shopping with my mom. So first up is a A5 planner for my mom. So she actually picked out everything that she wanted. She prefers horizontal. She wanted something smaller that she can take with her. So she's going to try out the A5 this year. Normally I give her the normal 7x9 horizontal, but we got her the Flora cover with her name, and then the horizontal layout in the A5 in the Flora design. She loves flowers. Her favorite color is blue, and she was absolutely in love with this planner. And I honestly do not like flowers, and I really love the design. So generally we know most of the presents that we buy each other because we purchase them together, but also we tell each other what we want, so there's not that much surprise. We generally do give like one surprise item a year, but she obviously does know that she's getting it because she picked it out. But either way, this was the first item and one of the presents for my mom. After that, while we were looking for her life planner, I kept looking at the acrylic Perpetual calendar, and I really love it. I didn't think I would use it in my office, but I decided to get this for my boss as a present, so I figured he would like it. He's very minimal. I feel like this is very like gender neutral, and I think it would just be a nice present for him. So I got this for my boss, and it was on sale in store for I think like $9. It was actually 60% off in the store, and it's I believe 30% off online. So if you live near a store, these are $9. After that, I picked up the planning pack. So I already ordered one of the planning pack. I already ordered this in the Mid-Century Circle online that I'm about to show y'all, but I couldn't resist, and I don't mind having multiple ones. I absolutely love the new design of the new planning packs. So they have a front pocket, and then they also have two interior pockets that you can store different items. And I think this is just so functional. It makes it easier to organize and to see everything instead of just throwing everything in one pouch. So I love the new designs. This is the camel, and then I also purchased the Mid-Century Circle online. As you all know, I love the Mid-Century Circle design, especially the white and gold from Erin Condren. So I wanted to pick this up as well. So let's open this up. So here's the Mid-Century Circle. And it has the cream interior, same double pockets, and then a pocket up front. And again, just absolutely love these planning packs. Next item is the new acrylic bookends from Erin Condren. I already opened these up because I was just so excited to use them. Again, I ordered a set online and they're just taking a little bit too long to come in, but I figured I would just have one for my office and then one for my office at work, especially now that we're back in the office twice a week. So this one is for my personal office and I already set it up. So we have that. And then the last item I purchased in store was the Star Wars Outline Sherpa throw. So I've been debating on whether or not to purchase this. If you've been following me along on all of the like Erin Condren Star Wars collaborations, the design is my favorite and I absolutely love it. And I love the Erin Condren Sherpa throws. They are so soft, and there was only one left in store and I figured it was perfect. I'm just gonna grab it. So I'm really excited that I finally got it. And if you know like anyone who loves Starbucks, I highly recommend this gift. This is such a nice gift. That was the last item in store. Next up is the custom photo acrylic blocks. So I ordered a few of these and I'm just going to show y'all a few, but this is the one that I ordered for myself. This was at my graduation party when I earned my master's. I love these custom photo acrylic blocks. I think they're the perfect present because they're just so sentimental. These retail for $24, but with the sale they are 16, like 23 or something like that. So I think they're the perfect gift because people can use them anywhere. You can put it, you know, on your fireplace. I'm gonna keep mine in my office. You can put it by your bedstand, and it's just a nice sentimental present. So this one is for myself. I might give it to my dad, I don't know, but I really like it and kind of want to keep it in my office. After that, I purchased a few gift sets. So the first gift set is actually the wellness gift set. I'm not going to open it because I'm using this as a white elephant present for work. So normally I do like a gag gift, but I figured this would be a really nice present since everyone has been so stressed out. So here's the wellness gift set. You get this adorable mug, notepad, pen, and then just a little tray, like woven tray. I'm also going to add the gift with purchase in here because it matches, and I think it would just add like a little something extra, and I'm not going to use it because again it's that floral design. I'm not a floral person. So this was the gift with purchase. I think it's really cute, but I'm not going to use it, and I think it matches perfectly in here. So I'm just adding this to the set, and I think that's a better I'd rather give it than just, you know, keep it and not use it. So I ordered this, and the price limit was like $30, and I think it's $29 or $28 on the Black Friday sale, so it was perfect. I also ordered the kitchen gift set for my best friend, and then she'll also get the Flora Sticky Note Notepad Duo. I actually sent that straight to her house since she lives in Colorado, so that way she has that, but she loves baking, so I thought it was the perfect present for her. And yeah, after that, there are some new items that launched that I couldn't resist, and I was so excited when I saw it. So the Star Wars interchangeable bag strap launched. I believe they're sold out when I looked, and I have like the clear bag from Erin Condren. I just need to find where it went, but I'm really excited to use this. I also have like the leather tote, so I'm probably going to swap out the strap for this one, but I absolutely love, again, the design, and just had to get this, especially since it's 30% off. And it just launched. But you have the back strap here. I also use this as a camera strap sometimes, so I might use this one as a camera strap as well, and I think it'd be more fun to use it as a camera strap. They also launched the Star Wars Black Dual Tip Markers 3-pack, so it has In a Galaxy Far, Far Away. Okay, so all of the pens are the same, but look at that design. So you have In a Galaxy Far, Far Away. Let me make sure this, you can see this. And y'all, these are just adorable. I'm gonna put these in my bookends and probably never use these and just keep these on display to be completely transparent. But y'all, I'm obsessed with them and absolutely love them. So we have that. All right, and then we just have a few more items left for this video. So next up is the Metallic Mid-Century Circles Expanding File Folders set of 3. So these are normally $12 and they were on sale for $4.80. So I think I got like 3 or 4 packs, and I already started using 2. Yeah, so I got 4. But I wanted to stock up on these. So they were $4.80. I feel like because they were over the 30% off, that means they're probably going to discontinue them soon. So I wanted to make sure that I got enough, so I purchased a few of these for $4.80. You really can't go wrong. I feel like you can always use these. Also on sale, they're not going to fit in, but if you've been following me along for a while, you know I have these in my office, is the Mid-Century Circles Accordion File Organizer box. These are normally not $24 and they are currently on sale for $9.60. So I bought 4. These came in a huge box because of how big they are, but I started using one for inserts, and I really need to organize documents, and so I think I'm going to use these for like inserts for each agenda. So I think I'm going to have, I already have one for A5. I think I'm going to use one for personal and then one for pocket and then my disc inserts. And then I think I'm going to use another one for business files. I initially had one for business files and then I changed that into my A5. So now I can just bring it back in. If not, I might use it for like archived documents by category. I don't know, but because they were $9.60, I couldn't resist and I bought 4 because I know I can always use organizational items. So I picked those up. And again, I was just concerned that because they were such a low price that they might discontinue them soon. So I wanted to make sure I grabbed them. And then last item for this video is the Star Wars Darth Vader vegan leather focus planner. This is a customizable planner. So they do have dated 2022 planners. And I actually decided to go with the undated because I love the way that it looked in my current one, which is undated. When I use like my PAPERIE planning stickers to set this up, I just liked it a lot better. It's also more minimal and there's less items on the page. So with the dated, you have like the next month or the previous month and the next month. And I like just having this like clear slate. And then same with this section. I believe there's a calendar in this corner and I don't know, I just prefer the pages in the undated. And then although I do use it every single month, I do have the option to not use it every month. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I bounce around planners, so that's actually a nice option, just so I can get the full use of the planner. So I did purchase the undated, but yeah, other than that, that is my Black Friday haul part 1, and that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.